What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. It is time to get busy on project 4 to 8 again. We've actually got a little bit of room in the shop, and I'm gonna get it back in, but I need to hunt some parts and just kind of gather some stuff together for the build. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's roll. All right, boys, so we are in the old shop, and I've got to get some parts together here for 4 to 8. And okay, this is exactly what I was looking for. This is off my car, y'all. Just been sitting here. I actually had just gotten this from NPD back when we pulled the engine out. So there is the shroud. There is overflow lid. Let's see what else I got in here. There's fuel rails. I don't need any of those. I've already got my throttle cable over there. This is actually pretty nice. I had just replaced that, so I'm going to use that too. Let's see here, what else we got? I need a radiator. Let's see. Okay, this is the radiator we're going to use. Not the fan. It's going to be a clutch fan just like stock, but got that one sitting there, so that'll work. Alternator and all that stuff's going to be new. And I thought those were my hold downs. Those are not my hold downs. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, those are the spark plug wires I was looking for. Right there. Look at there, boys. OE. Motorcraft. Be awesome. So there's a few things. All right, let me see what else we can find here. All right, boys. We had pulled some of these out earlier. I've got, yes. No, that's not it. Okay, that's the lid. I can't use that tube though. So there, that's speed density. Car is mass air, but there is. If I can get in there. Ah, yes. All right, now we can't use it. Shit. Pardon my French. That's not gonna work. Okay, well, at least we got the outer part of the lid. It's not cracked. It'll clean up nice. So I put that over there. I believe over here in the building I've got an entire box, so let's go take a look. All right, boys, lots of fabrication going on with the F100, but today we are doing 4 to 8 stuff. As you can see, look at there's an air silencer. I'm not going to put the air silencer in, but we'll get this box moved. We'll see what I got right here. Okay, so yes, boys, there is the air silencer. This is what I'm looking for. Not going to put a dirty air filter in it. There we go. That's crazy. 88. We got the air box. Not only that, we got the mass air bracket and all the mounts. So good score there. Got some more stock stuff there. Not going to use that though. Get that over there. All right, boys. Had to come back down here. My clutch fan is down here somewhere. I just don't know exactly where. Old 4-eye door panel there. Let's see. There's some springs. Some Moser axles. I had a brand new clutch fan on my 92. And for the life of me, I don't know where it's at. That's about all I'm lacking at the moment. So we've got the jug, we've got the shroud, we've got the radiator, we've got some wires. Let's see, boys. There's Philip, guys. If you're new to the channel, this is Philip. That's the first swap ever done out here. There's some more wiring off my car. My radiator hold down brackets are out here. They should be out here somewhere. Alright, boys, I'm not seeing the fans, so I'm gonna at least take this stuff over there, and that's a good start. Alright, boys, current situation. Got all the parts over here, sitting by the engine. There's several things I'm lacking right now, which I don't believe they're in here. Don't believe they're in there. Transmission's right over there, and then of course we got Steeda Triax shifter going on it. But I'm missing my radiator hold downs, intake tube, the rubber intake tube, my mass airflow meter, and radiator hold downs. So we're going to continue the hunt here, y'all, to try to get all the parts in one place, because once I get that harness back in the car, dash can go back in it, we can start putting this thing together and get rolling with it. So let's keep hunting these parts. So let's see here what we got. I don't think this car has anything under the hood. No. I think we may end up using fuel lines off this car though. Not sure. But no, it doesn't have anything under there. Let me check inside the car. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I don't think. Good God, somebody cut a hole in this thing. That's one way to do a fuel pump. I've never had the hatch up on this car. Yeah, there's some parts in there for sure. All right, let's check the other car here. So we do got fuel lines in there and V8 sway bar, which it is. We are putting the sway bar on it. Trying to see. Okay, intake tube and mass air are gone. Well, this door's not going to want to open. Yeah, guys, this is the car that gave its life for the engine. It's got a bent frame, and of course you can see the rest. I mean, it's rough. I did not see an air intake tube. None of the rest of these are V8 cars. So I'm gonna have to check the building. Should be a fun time. Yeah, all right. Real quick sidebar, guys. We get a lot of people that say, why aren't you saving this car? Why aren't you saving that car? Guys, the cars out here, either you can't get a title for, or the frame is bent, or the floor pans are rusted out, or something. There's a couple of them that may be used, you know, as shells for something over there, but the rest of them for parts. Trust me, guys, if a car can be put back together, just like we're doing with Project 4-8, we'll do it. All right, quick check of this pile here, guys. Yeah, really don't see anything. Need the intake tube, radiator hold down. Let's see some wiring over here. All right, yeah, let's run to the building then. Okay, so I think this may be where we need to be, guys. I think so. Don't mind that. Oh, yeah, it's cracked. Dang it. I thought that was a decent battery tray right there. Let's see what all that is. That looks like a turbo kit. Old school turbo kit. Well, I might have to go back and look a little deeper, y'all. Don't see what I'm looking for. Of course, I may need to lift up under some of these seats. Okay, we'll keep looking here, y'all. All right, boys, so success. Nice, pretty stock mass air meter. It's in pretty good shape, so that'll work. I don't know why that's like that. Maybe we'll put another top on it or something, but got the air intake tube, got the right coupler. It's all coming together, boys. I'm gonna throw this stuff in the trunk so it doesn't get lost and keep up the hunt. All right, guys, headed back here. I am still debating, and drop me a comment below if you are in the Elite 500, if you're the, you know, one of the premium subscribers, because we're trying to do the car as close to stock as possible. I've been going back and forth between a set of 10 holes and ponies. We've got both out here. I thought the ponies would just look a little better. But again, you know, the 10 holes would be more correct. But we've got a full set. I've already been through. We've got a full set of wheels that just need to be refinished, but they don't have any curb rash or anything like that. Obviously, this wheel did not make the cut, but we've got a full set of good ponies. Just clean those up and respray them. Put some new tires on it. Got tailpipes right there. If I probably end up putting a cat back on it, I'm not sure, but drop me a comment below. Do you think we should go ahead and put the ponies on it, or should we put some 10 holes on it, which is what it would have come with from the factory? I'm still a little bit undecided on that. I'm pretty sure, pretty positive the whoever wins the car is more than likely going to change the wheels, but I want the car to look good. That's why I'm kind of leaning towards the ponies, but we'll see. And of course, we'll put, you know, new tires on it, and it'll be looking good, guys. I'm excited. This is it's been a lot of fun out here getting these parts together. It's coming together, guys. I know it's been a little while. We've had a lot of irons in the fire, but super excited to start putting this together. All right, boys, so that is what is up. I didn't end up getting a chance this afternoon to get the car in and start working on it, but I did find a bunch of parts, a lot of stuff that I needed, and it's gonna make the build go a lot better. Got the drive shaft, got the V8 sway bar that's gonna be going in. Guys, again, this car is gonna be all V8. You won't be able to tell. I've got quad shock brackets in the shop already that are gonna go in it, factory quad shock brackets, and it's gonna be awesome. I'm telling you, you won't be able to tell once this car is done. All right, guys, so lots of cool stuff today. I'm absolutely loving doing this build. I hope you are too. So if you would, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, guys. We're gonna be busy. Lots and lots and lots of stuff coming. Please stay tuned. Thank you for the support. Be back next week. Later.